for me. Do you see them out there swaying freely? Stiff will. Woo!
Hey, I'm awesome girlfriends. Welcome back to the JLB channel. Yes, my awesome girlfriend, you are back in it with your girl JLB, of course. So in this video, I was so excited and nervous at the same time to film this video because it was like my first time actually achieving this look and trying out passion twists, and yeah, I'm actually loving them. So if you are interested in how I achieve this look, please do stay in tune. Like this video, comment down below, share with your other awesome girlfriends out there, because we are all about hair crowns, darling. Gotta fix that crown, girl. Yes, girlfriend. So I parted my hair into 56 sections, so you can check out my previous video on how I parted my hair. So I went for an arm braid passion twist braid. I got this hair braid from my local hair shop. This passion braid twist braid, guys, is so soft and it's absolutely light. So what I also used, I used a twisting pudding cream, so that this helps with obviously twisting your braid, making it much easier for your hands to glide as you're twisting, and also to create that seamless look as well. I attach the passion twist braid onto my hair and I start braiding for about like 2 to 3 centimeters just to ensure that my hair is secure. After that, I start twisting the braid, because obviously it's called a passion twist because you have to twist the braid anyways. Yeah, so what I like about this braid as well, it comes like already pre-twisted, so it's very easy for you to actually start twisting your hair. So you use your index fingers to twist your hair, as you can see, as how I've demonstrated there. And also it really helps to use like any twisting pudding, because it makes it easier for you to twist. And it also your index fingers actually don't get hurt or anything here. So as you can see, guys, this is how far I've gone. You know, achievements, of course, you know, you have to celebrate somehow, somewhere. Anyways, so I'll repeat the same thing again. So obviously I attach the passion twist onto my hair and I create like a small little braid for about 2 to 3 centimeters, is how I explained previously. And then yeah, just start twisting. One thing, when you are trying out, like this was my first time trying out this hairstyle, and I tell you, you have to be patient. Like patience is key here. And yeah, and don't rush the process. You just know that you will complete the look. absolutely love the ombre look of this passion twist. So I use 56 passion twists out of 64 because I use 2 packets. So obviously in one packet you get like 32 passion twists. So your 56 can sound a lot, but I tell you, this hairstyle is so light. These braids are so light on my head, I tell you. So even styling them is so easy as well. So I hope this video was beginner friendly, and I hope that you found it really helpful as well. So yeah, this is my final look. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you so much, my awesomes, for watching. Subscribe and catch you on the next one.